Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A54, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. This should reveal hotspot toggle. Now, if it's not visible on the first page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Once you see this toggle, you can hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now, the reason you might want to navigate in here is because by default, if you go into Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot, the password, you could actually see it right here. For me, it's from 1 through 9, but by default, it will be just a randomly generated password. So this one is not the default password. So with that in mind, you most likely want to change it to something a little bit easier to actually type in. You can use letters or numbers, and it needs to have at least 8 characters in length. And that's really the only thing that you need to change in here, or I would recommend changing. You can also change the hotspot name if you want to, but by default it is the name of the device, which makes it relatively easy to find it from the Wi-Fi list. Once everything is set, you can close this, and you don't ever have to go back into the settings as long as you don't want to change something like the password. And whenever you want to utilize your hotspot, just find the toggle, tap on it, and that's it. It shows up right here in your status bar. Now, one thing to keep in mind right here, I do want to point out, when enabling hotspot on this device, it will turn off Wi-Fi as it's using the same antenna to now broadcast the mobile data through the Wi-Fi antenna for other people to connect to, or for other devices to connect to. So you won't be able to use the same antenna for two different things, receiving and sending. Once you turn it off, you can see that it will automatically re-enable your Wi-Fi. And that brings me to another thing. When using your hotspot, once you're done with it, it is obviously recommended to turn it off, as it does use the same kind of antennas for your Wi-Fi. Therefore, you would always be using your mobile data when hotspot is enabled. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.